How to make your partner feel more loved. Welcome, my name is Arica Angelo, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Arica Angelo Intimacy Experience. And we're gonna talk about intimacy in your relationship and how to make your partner feel loved. The first thing I would encourage you with is say it. A lot of the times we think things about our partner, but we never actually verbalize it to them. We never vocalize it. We never just say it. So tell your partner the things that you really appreciate about them. Tell your partner why they matter so much to you. Tell your partner why you love them. Now you may be saying, well, they should know, or I said it to them in our wedding vows. I told them a month ago. Did you brush your teeth a month ago? Chances are you brushed your teeth today. It's the same thing with love. It's a daily actionable thing. So you want to daily tell your partner what you value about them, what you appreciate, why you love them, what makes your partner special and significant. Number 2 is show them that you love them. That means creating a special night where you make love to their body and you say, I love you so much that I want to demonstrate it by making love to your body. Or giving them a massage and saying, I love you so much that I just want to massage on your body and let you know how I feel for you through my touch. And sometimes it's as simple as just holding your partner and saying, I love you so much. If you could just give me a minute or two, I really would just love to hold you. And as you hold them, incorporate the saying aspect and let them know all of the things that are so special and significant and what makes them one of a kind to your heart and to your life. The third thing is this. Set aside a special night just for them. Tell them, I love you so much and I want this entire night to be all about you and for me to show you how much I love you. And to do that, I want to take you out on a special date. Now this could be a picnic where you go out and you watch stars, you have a bottle of wine. It could be taking them to their favorite restaurant. It could be making them dinner at home. Whatever the case may be, you are designating this special night for them so that they can experience how much you love them. And in that evening, you can incorporate your words by saying what you love about them and by touching them. It could be holding their hand. It could be taking their face in your hands and passionately kissing them. And of course, after dinner, taking them up to the bedroom and making beautiful love to their body. Your partner needs to know that they're loved by you. And yes, you may actionably show it every day by going to work, taking out the trash, doing all those things. But at the end of the day, we need to hear it from one another. We need to be proactive in saying, hey, I am setting this night aside to show you that I love you by verbalizing what you are doing and why you're doing it, the intention behind it. It's imperative that in our relationships that we say it, we do it, and we mean it. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go to my website, aricaangelo.com. You're like, whoa, you just told me to do 3 things. That's right, like my video, subscribe to the channel, and go to my website, aricaangelo.com, because there's so much more advice there that I guarantee you don't wanna miss out on. Sending love to you from me, Arica Angelo.